So it's not actually asking me to graph these, I think. It says determine the slope of the line you would get if you modeled each sequence listed below on a graph and connected the points. So I'm assuming because they're using the word line here that these are indeed all linear relationships. If it turned out that one of these was not growing in a linear fashion, that would be kind of a problem. But if I look at it, this first sequence A, I can see that this increased by 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is adding by 3 each time. So as my sequence number increased, right, the value of the sequence increased by 3. So as the sequence increased by 1, right, first term, second term, third term, the value of the sequence increased by 3. So I can see that this is 3 over 1, or I could just write it as 3, right? So this would have a slope of 3. This next one seems to be decreasing by 5. So if I take 26 and I take away 5, and then 21 and I subtract 5. So as this is the first term, the second term, the third term. So as the term number increases by 1, the value of the sequence is decreasing by 5. So this would have a slope ratio of going down by 5 each time. This one, mm, hmm, well, this one isn't a line, is it? Because it's 3. Oh, yeah, it is a line, isn't it? Because I'm multiplying by 3. Cut it out, cut it out. I'm not multiplying by 3, I'm adding 6 each time. So 3 plus 6 would give me the 9, and 9 plus 6 would give me the 15. So as my term number increases by 1, right, first term, second term, third term, the value of the sequence increases by 6. So these are going up by plus 1, these are increasing by 6 plus 6. So the change in my output is 6, the change in my input is positive 1. So this one has a slope of 6. And then the final one, this is not difficult, but if you do take a term number and subtract by the previous term, so if I take 10 and I subtract 8.5, this gives me 1.5. And if I take the 8.5 and I subtract 7, it also gives me 1.5. So I can see that these are increasing by 1.5 as these values are increasing by 1. So this one is increasing by 1.5 over 1, and I just can't resist it. I don't like that, so I'm going to say that it's increasing by 3/2. So another way to say this is every single time the sequence increases by 2, it's going to go up by 3. And you can see that, yeah, from 7 to 9 is me increasing by 2, and the value goes from 7 to 10. So, all right, that's it for question, gosh, what was this, 50? Yeah, question 50.